If you own an Android phone, these tips and tricks will enhance your overall experience. You can find your device by navigating to Settings and activating Find My Device option. This simple trick could be a lifesaver by helping you locate your mobile phone if it's ever lost. Want to keep your calls and messages private on the lock screen? Simply go to Settings, then find Notifications and Status bar and select Lock Screen. Click on Hide Content to maintain your privacy. Your area doesn't support 4G? No worries. Just go to Connections, navigate to Mobile Network, and open 4G selection to optimize your network settings. If you don't use NFC, near-field communication, it's advisable to turn it off. Save battery and ensure security by deactivating this feature in your phone settings. That's all for today. Follow CellularPort for more awesome tricks to keep your phone happy and alive.